everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Wondering what to do with those parsnips? Well, I have some ideas for you. Try adding boiled parsnips to your mashed potatoes. That will help to sweeten them up a little bit. Try adding roasted parsnips to a warm quinoa salad. Toss it with some toasted walnuts or pecans for some added crunch. It will be really delicious that way. Parsnips and apples go very, very well together, so you could do this in a vegetable dish. You could also add the combo to soups and pies and even breads. How about adding some grated young small parsnip to your salads for a little extra crunch and a little different flavor to them? You can also add some nice crispiness and crunchy to soft dishes and soups by shaving parsnips with a vegetable peeler, dropping those shavings into some hot oil and allow them to fry and crisp up some. Drain them on a paper towel, and then you can add some crunch to whatever soft or soupy dish you've got. How about just roasting parsnips? They're delicious that way, and leftovers can be added to soups. And I have some recipes below for a variety of parsnip dishes, and one of them is also parsnip chips. So I want to suggest you try making that and just explore the recipes below. The links below, you will hopefully find something there that will help you out. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.